Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, students? I think you are all well, specifically during this COVID-19. So, this is our first class. You know that before starting our class, I suggest some advices. The advices are that you have to mask your face, wash your hands, stay at home, and stay safe. Thank you. So let's get started our class. You know that our classes belongs to Unit-1, Lesson-1. And this class is for you, class 11. So our class is entitled The Unforgettable History. So this is outstanding. You know what it is, the unforgettable history. So look at the paragraph. You know, it includes in the textbook. What do you think about it? Can you guess? What is the picture? And depending on the picture, I'm framing some questions. The questions are here. What do you know about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? Where is he giving the space and what of the time? Next. What is the significance of the space? And the last, have you ever heard the space? Where? This is the questions. So depending on the text, you have to answer the questions and guess, especially guess what would be the answer. So you know that I'll give you the answer. What do you know about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is a founder and architect of a nation. The nation is our Bangladesh. So we call Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman an architect and a founder of a nation. This is the answer to the first questions. The answer to the second question is, where is he giving the space? We all know about that. He is giving the space at Ramana Racecourse, Sarod Uddan at present, Dhaka. The next part, what was the time? You know, the time was 7 March 1971. The next question, what is the significance of the space? So the significance is a tremendous significance lies under this history. You know that once we were under undivided Pakistan, East Pakistan and West Pakistan. So at the time we were oppressed, but under the great leadership of our leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, a procession was led. So ultimately we won our independence from the East Pakistan, from the invading army forces. So this is the significance. And the next, have you ever heard the speech? Yes, we have. Everywhere we heard the speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. where there is a festivities, there is a occasions, there is programs, especially concerning the independence. So the speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was launched every program. So we have heard every program and everywhere on various occasions. So, where? Of course, I have already given the answer. Where? Everywhere, every program since 1971. Still, now we have heard his speech. And this is the remarkable speech in the history. And his speech was recognized by the UNESCO, and still it is very important in our history. So, next, on the basis of the text, you have to know some vocabulary. Let me go ahead about some vocabulary. The vocabulary is, let me write down on the whiteboard, and you have to be careful about that. My first word is overflowing. Overflowing. So this word ends in ing. So the basic verb is overflow. What does the word mean? The word means to come out due to abundance. Overflow means to come out due to abundance. The next word, import. What do you think about the import? Import means significance. Significance or inner meaning. Okay? The next word is a wash with. A wash do you think what the main meaning is? A wash with is full of. Full of. A wash with means full of. Next, draft. D-R-A-F-T. Draft. What does it mean? Draft means to write down something. This is a brief word, something. I've written S-T-A, something for S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. To write down something first, then to be edited. It is of course corrigible. When we write down something in first hand and then to be edited next. This is called drop. You know, this is the drop. Wow. Then, excuse me, I have to wipe the blood over blackboard. The next word to be written down, constitution. Constitutions. So this is a large scale word, and it is very meaningful, and it is used in a large scale. So constitution means guidance or guidance, Guidance, a guidance of rules and principles by which a nation can go ahead. This is constitutions, a guidance of rules and principles by which a nation can go ahead. So, you know that it is our class and that's all. So before finishing my class, I would like to take my audio from you. So stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.